Hey guys, welcome back to Weekly Battles, and today the combos we have here are SpearDullahan 2 Bump Iron versus SuperHyperion Ratchet Volcanic. So yeah, let's get straight to these battles. First of three. Ooh, and that's a survivor for Hyperion. Right there, second battle. Volcanic is quite noisy and aggressive. Still has short stamina, but we'll have to see. And a survivor finish for SpearDullahan. Third battle. Looking unbalanced there. Ooh, and another survivor finish for SpearDullahan. It's going to be the last battle here. Wow. So, I'm not going to count that, really. I'm sure you guys can see, go back at the footage, but what happened was Hyperion actually went into the pocket, bursted, and I'm pretty sure his disc or something hit Spear, and then he bursted, so we'll redo that. Fourth battle. Whoa! Nice comeback there for Hyperion. Very cool. We're gonna finish there. Final battle without any ties. And there you go. That is your final battle for today's weekly battle here. Your winner is SpearDullahan.